Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Facebook or how to remove your Facebook number or how to remove phone number from your Facebook account or how to delete phone number from your Facebook account. First, go to Play Store. Make sure your Facebook is up to date. If it's not up to date, upgrade it. If it's not up to date, upgrade it. So if it's up to date, you open it like this. You see the three. You see there's a profile on my top right hand side corner. Some phone you see is 3 lines. So you click. When you click here, you go to settings and privacy. You click on it. Under settings and privacy, you see settings. You click on settings. So under settings, you will see more account. See more in account center. You see more in account center. You click on it. You click see more account. So it will bring you here. Here you go to personal details. So you click on the personal details. When you click on personal details, it will bring you here. So you click on the contact info. Here is the contact info. So you click on the phone number, and here you click on delete. So here it is telling that you will no longer able to use this number to log in. Reset your password or receive notification. Please note that you may not able to delete this number from the account when it is only one contact method, which means that when you log this, you cannot. So when you do that, you will click delete. So that it will delete from your phone, or the phone number will delete from the Facebook account. But when you have two-step notification, you come here. To deactivate before you delete the account. When you see this account helpful, can you subscribe to the channel? So this is how you can remove your Facebook. You can remove number from your Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye.